students, class 9 social science civics. First question, in one previous video we discussed very short answer type question. In this video we will discuss short answer type question. The first question is, what is the chief characteristics of Indian political system? Then chief characteristics of Indian political system is uh, parliamentary democratic republic. Parliamentary means all the power of the nation is in the parliament. Democratic means it is a government of the people, and republic means the head of the state is not hereditary, he is an elected head. Then our president is an elected head. Next is which and it is based on federal structure, but the spirit of our government is unitary, means central government is more powerful than the state government. Next is which party in the which party system is particularly useful for a democratic state. Then bi-party system. If a single party system is there, it will be an autocratic government, it will not be democracy. Multi-party system is democratic, and bi-party system is democratic, because in multi-party system and bi-party system there is existence of opposition party. Without opposition there is no democracy. Next question is, mention the four characteristics of a political party that we have discussed in previous video, and give the name of five regional political party of India. Five regional political party of India are uh, in Assam, Assam Gan Parishad and Dravir Munnetra Kazhagam. In other state, you see National Conference, Jammu Kashmir, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha in Jharkhand, Telugu Desam, and one Akali Dal in Punjab. These are the regional political party of India. Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, regional political party. Sorry. Next, what is alliance government? What is alliance government? When a single political party does not get absolute majority in the legislature, then like-minded political party make an alliance and form the government. Such government is called alliance government or coalition government. इसको coalition government भी कहते हैं, alliance government भी कहते हैं. And alliance is of two types. Pre-poll alliance, when alliance is made before the election is held, it is called pre-poll alliance. And post-poll alliance, when you see alliance is made after the election is held, when government is to be formed, then that time if alliance is made, it is called post-poll alliance. Next is what is meant by alliance government, as we have discussed. Next question, discuss two merits and two demerits of a alliance government. Two merits. Alliance government is situational, because in multi-party political system there are so many political party in the country, and it is impossible for a single party to get absolute majority in the parliament. Therefore, it is the demand of the time that coalition government is to be formed to run the to run the administration of the country. Otherwise, if we go for next election, the you see there will be uh, such decision will be expensive. Next is, it will be the waste of time and money. Next, non-autocratic. Alliance government is non-autocratic. When a single party gets absolute majority and forms the government, it behaves like autocratic government. Whatever the government wants, the government does. But if it is alliance, it cannot take any decision against the interest of the people. If it does so, the alliance partner may withdraw their support, and the government may go out of power. Next, two demerits. Unstable and short-lived. Such government is not stable. It may not complete 5-year terms, therefore unstable. And such government is short-lived. There is every chance for the government to go out of power anytime if the alliance partner withdraw their support. Then it is a short-lived and unstable. Expensive. To appease the alliance partners, the government has to create a big council of ministers, and when a big council of ministers is formed, what happened? Expensive, the government becomes expensive. In place of one minister, two ministers are you see given the charge. In place of one chief minister, three chief ministers are made. One chief minister, one second deputy chief minister, and second deputy chief minister. This type of provision is there. Therefore such government becomes expensive. Last question of this video is discuss the role of opposition, and it is very important. It is printed in every examination. The opposition party, first point, the opposition party keeps constant watch on the functioning of the ruling party of the government, and it never it does not let the government to go in a wrong way. Next is the opposition party remains prepared to form the government in case the ruling party fails to continue its term. Next is the opposition party offers creative support. Creative support means if the ruling party is doing something good, the opposition party support it. If opposition party will oppose, the common people will neglect it in the next election. Therefore, the good work of the government, the good work of the ruling party is supported. Such support is called creative support. Next is the opposition party is a link between the common people and the government. Common people cannot approach the government. The issue that the common people are facing is raised by the opposition in the parliament or in the state assembly. Therefore, it is a link between the government and the common people. The opposition party makes the government alert and accountable towards public opinion. The opposition party never allows the ruling party to go against public opinion. Whenever it takes any steps against public opinion, it alerts the government that they should not do like that, and accountability is fixed. The opposition party makes them accountable for any injustice done in the country, done with the people. तो थैंक यू. आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा, बहुत समझें इसको, बार बार देखें और क्वेश्चन आंसर जो दिया हुआ है उसको समझने की कोशिश करें. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस टाइम.